Legends of Learning presents the What's the Weather game. This is a science game that makes learning about the weather cycle and weather patterns fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, What's the Weather is an interactive weather prediction game that intuitively teaches students about the water cycle and weather patterns. Help out with the Weather Investigation Bureau in solving interesting cases with different weather conditions. Point and click. Click the hint button throughout the game to get helpful hints about the current case file. Use the mouse to click to make weather predictions, collect stars if you correctly predict the weather, and confirm if your predictions are accurate. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.